Hey, Mike. How are you today?
Hey, Emma. I'm good. A little tired, but good.
Tired? Did you not sleep well?
No, I slept fine. I just woke up early today. I couldn't go back to sleep.
Oh, I know that feeling. What time did you wake up?
Around 5. I just lay there, looking at the ceiling.
That's early. What did you do?
I got up, made coffee, and watched the sunrise. It was nice, actually.
That sounds peaceful. I wish I could wake up that early.
You could. You just have to go to bed earlier.
Yeah, I know, but I always end up watching one more show.
What do you watch?
Lately, I've been watching that new documentary about the ocean. It's beautiful, but it makes me want to travel.
I'd love to travel more. Have you ever been to the ocean?
Yes, once. I went to the beach in California. It was amazing.
California. I've never been. What was your favorite part?
Walking on the sand in the morning. The water was so blue, and the sound of the waves. It was very relaxing.
That sounds perfect. Do you have any trips planned soon?
Not really, but this weekend I'm going to visit my sister. She lives about 2 hours from here.
That will be nice. What will you do with her?
We'll probably cook together, go for a walk, just talk. Simple things.
That's the best kind of weekend. I'm just going to stay home, I think.
Are you going to relax or do something productive?
A little of both. I have some cleaning to do, but I'll also watch a movie.
What movie?
I'm not sure yet. Any recommendations?
Have you seen that new comedy with the two friends who go on a road trip?
No, I haven't. Is it funny?
Yes, I laughed a lot. You should watch it.
I'll try it. Speaking of weekends, are you cooking anything special with your sister?
We're going to make pasta. It's our favorite thing to cook together.
Pasta is always good. What kind of sauce?
A simple tomato sauce with fresh basil and garlic bread on the side.
That sounds delicious. Now I'm hungry.
Sorry. What's your favorite food to cook?
I like making breakfast. Eggs, toast, sometimes pancakes. But my favorite is coffee.
You always say coffee.
Because it's true. Coffee makes everything better.
You know, it's funny. When I first started learning English, I was so nervous to order coffee.
Really? Why?
Because there are so many ways to order. I'll have a coffee. Can I get a coffee? Coffee, please. I was never sure which one was correct.
I had the same problem. In my first English class, I said, "I would like a coffee, please," and everyone laughed.
They laughed? That's not nice.
No, they were friendly. They said it was too formal. They taught me to say, "Can I get a coffee?"
That's much more natural. It's funny how small changes make a big difference.
Yes, and now I say, "Coffee, please," without even thinking.
That's progress.
You know, I've been thinking about the future.
Oh? What about?
I want to travel somewhere new next year. Maybe Italy.
Italy? That's a great choice. The food, the art, the coast.
Exactly. And I want to practice my Italian. I've been learning a little.
That's wonderful. You should go. What about you, Emma? Do you have any big dreams? I'd love to learn to play the guitar. I've always wanted to.
That would be beautiful. You have a nice voice, too.
Thank you. Maybe one day I'll play and sing.
I'd like to hear that.
Well, Mike, it's getting late. I should probably go.
Yeah, me too. Thanks for talking with me. I enjoyed this.
Me too. Let's do it again soon.
Definitely. Have a good visit with your sister.
Thanks. and enjoy your movie.
I will. Bye, Emma.
Bye, Mike.